Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you're watching this video, you are now on day 24 of our beginning 5K program. So congratulations, you guys are doing fantastic, and we're going to get right to it. All right. Well, you deserve a rest day today, so you can rest. At least rest the legs. That's the important thing. I do recommend doing either a stretch routine, a yoga routine, or some sort of resistance routine, upper body only. And that way, you can continue to work the muscles, get in shape, and then be ready to run tomorrow. So that's what I would recommend. But if you just want to rest and take a nap, you could do that. There's nothing wrong with that. And be ready for tomorrow, day 25. And I'm going to hand you off to Coach Robin, and she has a couple words to say. So here she is.
Hey guys, great job. It's Wednesday, so you did 2 workouts in a row, Monday and Tuesday, and you know what today is. Today is our rest day. And again, we've earned it. I've come back down to the harbor again just because these seals are so much fun. I found some baby ones here, and then Big Mama next to them. Look at that. That's kind of cool. If you guys know more about seal behavior than I do, you can pop in some comments below and tell me what's going on here. It's fun, and the little babies are so cute. So anyway, maybe I'll take my rest day and just sit here and watch the seals. Actually, I'll probably do a little bit of yoga out here. It's nice outside, and the view is really, really nice and calming. So maybe I'll do some yoga stretches today. But you figure out what you want to do. Remember, give your legs a rest, and then come back tomorrow. We have one more day of doing what we did the last 2 days. We have a rest day, and then we have our bump up day. So have a great rest day, guys. See you tomorrow.
All right, great job, guys. Great job. You guys are really, really, really doing a great job. Whether you rested, whether you did an upper body routine, or you did a stretch, it's all fantastic and all good. And we'll see you tomorrow in day 25. See you later, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.